We keep saying one line fits better than another. But better by how much? To improve a line, a computer needs to score it, to measure exactly how wrong it is. Start with a single house. The residual is the gap between the real price and the line's prediction. Actual minus predicted. If the dot sits above the line, the residual is positive. Below the line, it is negative. Now, the obvious idea is to add all the residuals up. But watch what happens. The positives and negatives cancel out, and the total collapses towards zero, even for a terrible line. So a plain sum is useless. We first need to make every miscount as positive. The first way is to take the absolute value, just drop the minus signs. Average those distances, and you get the mean absolute error, or MAE. Here it is 30. On average, this line misses by about $30,000, clean, and in real dollars. The second way is to square each residual. Squaring also removes the minus sign, but it does something extra. Big misses become much bigger. Average the squares and you get the mean squared error, MSE. Here it is 1300, but the units are now dollars squared, which is hard to picture. To fix the units, take the square root of the MSE. That gives the root mean squared error, RMSE, back in plain dollars. Here it is about 36,000. Notice the RMSE, 36, is larger than the MAE, 30. That is the squaring at work. The two big $50,000 misses get punished harder, so RMSE rises above MAE. Use MAE when every error should count equally. Use RMSE when large mistakes are especially bad. So we now have a single number that scores any line. Smaller means better. This score is called the loss. The best fit line is simply the one that makes the loss as small as possible. Next, how the model actually walks downhill to find it, gradient descent.